I'd like to show another video of the power of trade trend during real-time market hours. And we're looking at AMD here on the 5-minute chart. And trade trend has given us an indication of a possible bullish setup, a buy stop limit order of 48.45. And so I'd like to go ahead and maybe put that trade on, and we'll see if we can get triggered into it. So I'm here in Trading View, and I'm going to put this order in. So let's buy one share, and we'll see what happens. So a couple minutes later, we get triggered into the trade, and I went ahead and had put a stop loss in. I didn't show that in the video, but Trade Trend did put the stop loss line right about where I had decided to put my stop loss, around 48.16. And so we'll let this trade play out for a little while longer and decide if we need to make any adjustments on it later. And so a few minutes later, Trade Trend suggests that we move our stop up. We're getting a little bit of a pullback, and probably for safety reasons, we'll go ahead and just move our stop loss up here. We're at 48.16 right now, so we'll move it up here to this green line, which is right at about 48.35. Okay, and so I'll go ahead and put that order in, and we'll wait and see what happens next. So about 5 minutes later, I decided I'm going to go ahead and set a target level. So I'm going to go ahead and modify my order, and I'm going to move this window over just a tad. And I think I'm going to try to take a profit around this previous little retracement area, kind of around 48.58 maybe. So we're going to go over here, check mark take profit, and we're going to change this to 48.58, and then we'll click on the modify button. So we still have our stop loss in, but now we also have a take profit order in as well. So about 8 minutes later, I noticed that Trade Trend is suggesting that I move my stop loss up. And so I'm going to move this stop loss up just a notch up to about 48.39. So about a minute later, I watch as the stock hits our take profit level, and we've got a winner. So let's break this down so we can see exactly how Trade Trend helped us capture this winning trade. We'll pull up this order form here, and we look at it. We bought AMD at 48.44, and then we sold it for a profit at 48.58, which comes out to be about 0.29% profit in 30 minutes, which is not too shabby if you think about it. To find out more about how you can add this incredible tool to your trading arsenal, go to tradetrend.com.